Stop trying to build a faceless business. It's the fastest way to fail in 2026. Look around. The internet is flooded. Over 50% of content you see right now is AI generated. It's polished, it's perfect, and honestly, people are turning it out. Most new marketers are hiding. They're using AI avatars and voices because they're afraid of being judged. That's your biggest opportunity today. If you were starting affiliate marketing from scratch today, I do the same. The one thing everyone else is terrified of, I'd show my face. Think about it. The gurus selling you those faceless courses. They're using their own faces to sell them to you. Why? Because people buy from people, but they buy into authenticity. Or AI is a fantastic tool to help you get ideas, but it cannot replace you. So run towards the overwhelm, do the lives, do the raw videos. Go where the competition is thinnest. Stop trying to automate your soul. Build the trust, share the value, and show up. If you're ready to get real in 2026, hit the follow button and follow me.